Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y, s, y with y, s is with s with y. So they divide both sides together and that is about the read number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dy over dx. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So this one we change by this one, y we change by vs. Now we simplify s, and s. Next, I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. Next, we do common denominator. So this one we have v plus v square. This one we have v minus v square in here. So v minus v we cancel negative with negative, we have positive, so we have 2v square over 1 minus v. And now I will put this one go to the left ds and s go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So number 2 I will put outside. So this one we can put 1 over v square, and this one divide by this one. So the integration of 1 over v square, that is about negative 1 over v, and the second one that is about Fn of the absolute value of v. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.